John, what are you taking a picture of?
Boners. What the fuck is it? Good eye, Dylan. Good eye.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
It was the 90s, man. Leave it alone. I'm sending it to Aaron right now.
Peter Boners. It's funny because Peter's also a dick reference. The name Peter.
What's the next one, Jam? Seriously?
It was. Watch. Oh, Jammer.
The Boner Jammer.
Oh my god. I can't believe that. Oh
Alf.
my god. Peter Boners. Please. Boners.
Why did everyone send that in the comments?
Boners.
Wait, so is Elf a puppet?
Yeah.
But he was also played by a midget in a suit.
Okay, well that was what I mean, right? Because his fingers keep doing shit too, as well as his head.
That's how they made him look real.
Yeah.
In fact, like, there's so many holes across the stage